In this video, I show you how to fix Roblox login. Something went wrong. Please try again later problem. For fixing this problem, go to your Play Store, search Roblox. Now tap to Roblox. Now update your Roblox from here. Now search for 111 VPN. Click on it, install. Then go to phone settings. Then go to apps or application management. Then tap on see all apps. Now search for Roblox. Tap on Roblox. Tap on force stop. Then OK. Then tap on storage and cache. Clear storage. Then delete. Now open 111 VPN app. Next, accept. Install VPN profile. OK. Now allow notification. Click here for connect. Now open Roblox app. And sign in. Now I hope that this method fix Roblox login. Something went wrong. Please try again later problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.